Okay, so I was looking to order myself an ultra-wide monitor, and I saw that Amazon had a new monitor coming out. It's an LG35WN75C, and it was for £479. And I was looking to buy it, but it just went out of stock, so I couldn't find it anywhere. Luckily, I was looking around and I found this website, Novatech. They had this version. So it's 35WN75C-B. So this one has built-in speakers as well. So it's actually good. So I got it for with delivery and everything for £515. Well, everything is expensive in England, but yeah, but still it's better than I was finding it on Amazon. Amazon was selling the same monitor for around 600 plus. Okay, so as you can see, it's a pretty big box compared to my feet. My feet are really small. Yeah, it's quite big. Okay, I'm just going to unbox this thing. Unbox properly. Sorry if my room is a bit messy. Last night's chicken wings are over there. Okay, so the box is open. What you get is this hefty bag. Oh my god, that's a huge power brick. Okay, that's a big power brick. I mean, that's quite big. It's quite noticeable, quite big. Okay, that's a USB-C cable. Okay, that's good. Some cable management stuff. I've got HDMI cable, and I've got a display port. So thanks God, it's not a mini display port. It's just normal display port cable. Then you get something heavy in there as well. Oh, okay, there's a power cable. And then you got some CD, probably some drivers, and the booklet. So okay, so that's the stand, the base stand. Oh, I thought it's going to be big, but it's not big. I mean, let me just open this thing. The base doesn't look that big compared to my face. Okay. Yes, so this is the monitor. That's nice. So the reason I ordered this monitor is because I wanted a bit more real estate on my screen, so that I can edit more properly. It's not mainly for gaming, it's mainly for editing pictures and videos. So let me just put this out. Okay, so the back panel, you can see you can do a Visa mount as well on this if you have one. Otherwise you got the power, then you got the headphone jack, you got two HDMI ins, one display port, one USB. This can go up to 60 watts, so it can charge your laptops as well, so that's a good thing. And then you got two USB 3 ports. Okay, I think what I've seen is pretty simple. I mean, there's a small clip over here, and all I do is this and this, and that's it. I can lift it up. Pretty simple. Next, I will set it up connected to my PC and see how it works. Okay, so I'm using a different camera now. This is all set up. It's quite big. This is compared to my IKEA desk. It's covering quite a bit of space. I thought 35-inch would not be good enough, but this is quite big. I mean, if I put my phone next to it, it's pretty big. I haven't removed some of the stickers, like this one. Oh shit, I should not do that. Maybe I'll just grab it from here. Oh yeah. Oh. Come on. Oh, good boy. Okay. And I'll try and remove this energy rating one as well. But how? They put it at a really wrong place. It's on the screen. If I try and do this, okay, let's just leave it there. What did I do? Okay, so I connected a display port, the USB-C as well. The USB-C is pretty good. It was charging my laptop. There are USB ports as well which are not working. I don't know how to make them work. There is no cable to connect it to make it a form of a hub so I can connect it to my PC. There's only 2 USB ports, so I have to look into it. The manuals are pretty shit, you can see, and they gave a CD with it. Who uses CD nowadays? So I don't know what's in there, but it's a user manual. They're not that helpful. The controls, I just want to quickly show the controls. There's like a joystick over here underneath that LG logo. If I click it once, this comes up. I can select the input. Okay, can go back, and then there's like a bunch of settings over here. You can select HDR, color temp, some game related setups as well, and then there's picture mode, custom, vivid, HDR, reader. What should I do? I'll just keep it on HDR. And then it's power off. I'm not going to do that. If I just turn it to the left, then there's this, the volume. This is the max audio volume. I should tell you the speakers are not that good, but they're just good enough to just not, there's not enough bass in it. To open this, yes, it's come up. So let me just play something on YouTube. There's a naked lady. Let's not play that. Let's play something. The hell, what can I play? Another naked lesson, might as well. So yeah, it's very bland. It's not that good, but it's good enough if I'm just browsing and just using internet. I don't have to attach any extra speakers. So for that purpose, it's good. Just gonna close that. Too many naked ladies. Yeah, I mean, but the extra real estate, it just looks amazing. This is so cool. Another thing, the on-screen control. Okay, so it's this one. There's no indication anywhere in the user manuals or anything, so you have to go to the LG website and download this thing. So what it does, you get the on-screen control to actually control anything on the monitor. So I'm just going to, at the moment it's full, so I'm just going to make it a split screen. It's doing something. So if I do this, oh, okay, and if I just open the text document, and okay, so this is what it does. Okay, so it's changing the documents in real time. Okay, but you can actually, if you go full screen, okay, that's nice. I can have 3 windows open at a time. I can have 6 windows open, and there's like, shit, it's quite a bit. What is that? Is that a picture in picture? Could be, I don't know. Yeah, I might most probably be using this one. So 3 of them at a time. I think this is the best one for me. But the good thing is it's all on screen. Okay, I'm using it for the first time, so I don't know squat about this. I can manage the software update as well. Okay, run. It needs the USB A/B cable. Okay, my applications, game mode settings. Okay, a couple of setups. Yeah. For now, the picture is sharp, is not that bad. This is an HD one. I'm just going to 4K HDR, 60 FPS. So this one. Okay. It's running in. I'm changing it to 4K now. So this is not 21:9. That's why it's not going to cover the full screen. You do see those black bars, but it's good. I mean, on my HDR TV this looks even better, but because this is a 300 nits panel, so it's just the max HDR it can go. Okay, I haven't played around much with it, but for now this looks pretty good. Look at that snake. So yes, this was a very casual unboxing. I'm not a monitor or a tech geek, okay, but I wanted to use this for video editing for that purpose. So compared to my face, I have a gigantic face as well. You see, this is quite a big monitor. It's not that small. I mean, I was thinking about getting a 38 inch, but 38 inch would have gone like end to end, because I've got a TV over here as well. So this is like the perfect size, but it's just too high for me right now. I think I'm probably going to remove this and then squish it down a bit, but for now I think this will do. Hopefully this will help the people who are going to be buying this monitor in the future. For me, it's a VA panel, HDR. I mean, but from research it's not real HDR, but it's still, I mean, it just gives you a little bit of kick. But that's this is the VA panel monitor, and the colors are quite good. I think I haven't done any gaming or editing on it yet, so but by the first looks of it, it looks pretty cool. So hopefully this will help the people who are buying this monitor. If you have any questions, you can just post it in the comments, and I will maybe not answer them because mostly I wouldn't know the answers, but I can do some research and maybe try and post some comments on that. Okay, take care.